Hey Active, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you guys are keeping up with your workouts, with your nutrition. I hope you guys are staying sane and having fun. This is a great time for you guys to try new things, especially mobility if you've never done that before. So I'm really proud of you guys for keeping up and doing your mobility work. It's so important. I hope you guys are feeling a little bit of the difference in that first week. So let's keep it going. So today, minimal equipment. As always, I'm going to try to keep it as minimal as possible. But really, you should have these two things, if anything. Super simple, not that expensive. You can get them on Amazon. But a roller, foam roller of any sort. And then, like I said, a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball. Work fantastically. So today, we're going to be working on our neck, our T-spine, and maybe a little bit in the traps. Just more stretching the traps, not necessarily mobilizing them today, but we're going to stretch and mobilize your T-spine, and we're going to give your neck a nice stretch too. I'm sure this is something you guys could do every day. If you sleep funny, we keep a lot of tension and stress in our neck, so this is a great relaxing mobility work for you guys today. So first exercise, you're going to need your lacrosse ball or your tennis ball, or if you don't have this, you can use a roller. I'll show you both ways to use this exercise, and all you're going to do, just like last mobility exercise we did with the lower back, you're going to do the same thing in your upper back, but we're going to do right where your shoulder blades, if you want to think of these as your shoulder blades, we're going to go right around the edge there. So if you move your shoulder blades where you can feel that rotation happening, we want to just kind of trace that line of your shoulder blades. We're going to do the lacrosse ball, and we're going to do 3 passes. So I want you to start at the base of your left or right, pick one side, shoulder blade, and we're going to do 2 minutes each pass. You're going to start at the base of your shoulder blade, right there in the crease. So this is your spine, this is your shoulder blade. You want to be right in between the two, okay? So you're going to start at the base of your shoulder blade. You're going to place that lacrosse ball there. So it's kind of lower right here. Can't really see. And then you're going to spend 2 minutes there, and then we're going to move it up just along the shoulder blade there. 2 minutes there. And then your third and final pass will be up the top of your shoulder blade for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, you're going to lay on your back. So what's the easy way to do it is to kind of get it situated there loosely. You're going to have to play around with it. Lift up, get it situated right there. The lower edge of your shoulder blade, it's a little uncomfortable at first. Remember I said this is uncomfortable at first? Excuse me, but you'll get used to it. And just lay. You're going to obviously be a little bit lifted because of the size of the ball. And a great way to kind of get molded and melted into this ball is to open that arm up to the side, the same arm that you have the ball placed. And remember, use that breath. 3 to 4 seconds in, 6 to 8 seconds out, and try to relax. Now, once you've gotten used to that ball, you can go ahead and add some movement. So bring that arm overhead. See what that feels like. Go to your press archetype. If you want to do some presses, kind of push up towards the ceiling. Again, this is your practice. You do what feels right. If this is just way too much pressure, again, you can maybe try that towel rolled if you want. So again, we're going to do 2 minutes there. And then when 2 minutes is up, 2 minutes to the mid shoulder blade, and then 2 minutes up here. This up, the one at the top feels fantastic. So if you don't have your lacrosse ball or tennis ball, and you do have a roller, a way you could do this as well is to get that roller placed at the base of your blades. Lay down. So you're kind of getting 2 for 1 here instead of, excuse me, you're going to let it roll. You're going to lay down on that roller. Again, get it placed. And you're going to inhale. And as you exhale, you'll go back, fall down on the roller. And again, play with your arm positioning. Open your arms up to the side, up overhead. On your chest, you can go inhale, lift your head up, and exhale, fall back onto that roller. And spend about a minute here, and then same thing, move that roller up a little bit, and begin your practice all over again. So inhale, exhale. Again, play with your arm positioning. Open your arms up, palms down, arms overhead. Remember I said to mobilize in the area of deficit, so if overhead is a problem with you, a problem for you, get those arms overhead, start mobilizing, okay? So those are your two options. You have your ball, you have your roller. Pick one, start your practice. Go ahead and pause this, and when you're done doing your 3 passes, each side, tracing the line of those shoulder blades, then go ahead and unpause that, and we'll come back to the second exercise. Awesome. So, second movement for today. We're going to get into your neck a little bit. So your T-spine, your shoulder blades back there should feel pretty nice right now. So I just want you to sit. There's going to be no equipment required for this one. Just sit, legs crossed comfortably, whatever's comfortable for you. Sit up nice and tall. Think of it as if a string is in the middle of your head and it's pulling you up. So you really want to get some length in that spine. And I just want you to drop your arms to the side, palms up. That's causing the external rotation of your shoulders. Palms down, it's more internally rotated, so I want you to get that external rotation going. Really feel like you're exposing the sides of your neck here. You take a big breath in. I want you to exhale and drop that right ear to your right shoulder, and exhale. You can close your eyes, and I just want you to sit here and breathe. Feel that length in that left side of the neck. Really expose it. Don't tense up. Really let your shoulders relax down. A few big inhales, exhales here. And then I want you to, next big inhale, big exhale. I want you to keep your ear to that shoulder and just take your chin and rotate it down towards that right shoulder. Even more, you're getting a, kind of the back side of your neck here, and maybe a little bit into your traps. So again, feel length over here, don't tense up, let it just drop and hang. Sometimes it helps if you're having a hard time keeping that arm rooted, if you have a dumbbell, to use a dumbbell or something to kind of grab onto so that you can really drop that head down and get that length over here in that left side of your neck. A few big breaths here. Great, now drop your chin down to your chest. Spend a moment here and just feel the back of your neck, getting a nice stretch. Remember to still keep that length in your spine, try not to slouch. And then back to center. If you're using that dumbbell to weight yourself, take it to the other side. Again, arms up, palms up. Get that external rotation in your shoulders, big breath in. And all you're gonna do is drop that left ear to that left shoulder and open up that right side of your neck. And breathe, slow down your breathing. Don't tense up, try to get as much space as you can here in that neck. Spend as much time as you guys want here. You guys can always pause this video and spend more time in these stretches if you need to. And then again, with your ear, keep your ear to your shoulder. All you're gonna do is take that chin and drop it towards that left shoulder, opening up even more in that right side here. And breathe. Awesome. One more big breath here, and big exhale. Now take your chin and drop it towards your chest. Get a stretch in the back of your neck here. And release. Nice. Now I want you to pause this, and I want you to do that 2 more times on each side. So again, if you need the dumbbells to get those arms nice and down, to keep those shoulders dropped away from your ear, grab some dumbbells or anything heavy to keep your arms weighted. Palms up, get that external rotation, and start it 2 times. So you're gonna first drop your ear to that shoulder, getting some space here. Spend about 30 seconds to a minute there, and then you're gonna keep your ear there, and then you're gonna just drop your chin, okay? So I want you to do that again on the right and then slowly rotate up down to center, and then repeat it on the left. So 2 more times each side. Go ahead and pause this and do that 2 more times each side. And we'll come back for the 3rd and final set of this mobility. Again, we're just going to do some stretching now. Like I said, mobility and stretching are 2 different things. They both have their benefits, I feel. There's people that have different opinions on each, but you know, you really want to do ultimately what feels good for your body. Sometimes adding the mobility component with the bands and the rollers and the ball is just too much for people in the beginning. So really take your time with the practice, be patient. Like I said, it'll come, but really it's going to be uncomfortable. Be uncomfortable with being comfortable, right? That's where you're going to grow. That's where your practice is going to get better. So last stretch, I just want you, this is going to work, again, your neck, your lats a little bit. You're going to take that arm across your shoulder, across your body. You're going to push, and don't let this shoulder come up, okay? So really push that shoulder down towards the earth, and get that nice stretch. This is in your shoulders as well. Breathe. If you want now, go ahead and drop your ear again and open up that side of your neck to get an extra stretch. Awesome, 30 seconds here. Shake it out, and then other arm across your body. Gently pull it in and push that shoulder down away from your ear. Again, if you want, go ahead and drop your ear to the other shoulder. Get a nice stretch, extra bonus stretch. Awesome. Now I want you guys to take your fingers, interlace your fingers, extend them out in front of you. Push your shoulder blades in your spine, a nice round curvature in your spine, and just kind of drop your head down. Push your stomach, your back towards the back wall, and extend your arms towards in front of you. And then as you come out of that, arms overhead, push those shoulders down. Try to keep those elbows nice and straight, and release. So we'll do that again. Shake it out. So interlace your fingers, push your palms away from you, get some nice extension here, and curve your spine, push it back towards the wall, the back, nice curve. Just give that spine a nice stretch. Big inhales, big exhales. Really feel like you're filling your lungs with air. And then sit up nice and tall, push those palms up towards the ceiling, elbows nice and straight, and release. Shake it out, shake it out. Awesome. So that's it for today, guys. Nice and short, 15 minutes, maybe 20, depending how long you guys want to stay in each stretch, in each mobility set. So again, remember, you're going to start with your ball, do your passes on your shoulder blades each side, or your roller into your neck, and then just some nice loose stretches at the end. This is something you guys can do every day. This is such a great upper body neck release for your T-spine as well. So hope you guys are getting something from it. Keep mobilizing, keep at it, keep exercising, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.